high-ticket affiliate marketing, how-to, Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Coaching Program. In this video, I'm going to show you a high-ticket affiliate marketing coaching program, the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire, and how to take advantage of high-ticket affiliate marketing coaching, who will benefit from this program, and how you can get started. My name is 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗍 with Being the Change LLC. In this video, I'm going to get and talk to you about high-ticket affiliate marketing coaching. A lot of people are curious as to how it works and how to get started. And I've been on the affiliate marketing journey in 2022, and I've had hands-on experience with a lot of different programs and coaching. So I want to share my knowledge with you today. The purpose of the high-ticket affiliate marketing YouTube channel is to provide entrepreneurs with a real, uncut, direct information way to have side hustle ideas to make money online, to quit their 9-to-5 and have business growth. Please subscribe, follow, and like to learn how to use the online space to create a passive long-term income. If that's something of interest of you, don't hesitate to subscribe and leave comments and I'll respond to you. So again, let's jump right into it. Okay, so the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Program is going to show you how $2 million of sales of students has been taken and accomplished in 2022. Now let's take a step back and take a look at what affiliate marketing is. Traditional affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or a service and receiving commission for every sale that you generate. The commission is generally a percentage of the sales price. Now in high-ticket affiliate marketing, it works in a similar way, except for the products or services that you promote are much more expensive. So for example, instead of promoting like a $10 ebook, a $2,000 coaching program will be a high-ticket item. So that's kind of the main difference between traditional affiliate marketing, like your Amazon associates, versus a high-ticket affiliate program. Now, in order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you have to have products that you promote and generate sales. And the key to high-ticket affiliate marketing is finding the ones that are in demand and that offer high commissions. The best way to find products or programs in your niche are the different websites and different affiliate programs that you can actually connect with, as well as online. There's Google, and there's so many, you can just literally Google different ways. Another way to find ticket products and services to search is like through JV partners. A JV partner is someone that's willing to promote your product or service in exchange for commission on every sale. So they're an excellent way to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing because they provide you with an opportunity to promote high-ticket products or service without creating a product of your own. Now let's talk about this mentorship. What will it include? There's a live training on December the 19th that they're going to go step by step on how they were able to help those students generate over $2 million in 2022. They had zero prior experience, no cost, no technical skills, 100% free methods from scratch. They're going to go through on the 19th how to automate a personal selling funnel and delivery, all done for you. And the purpose of that is to be able to take your product and be able to go from the training and implement to take action right away. So the benefit that in regards to my mentor being one of the creators, Daniel Chu, as well as Nathan Bokers, they have built the dream team. Coming from Zach Crawford, a Millionaire Challenge system where Zach encouraged the entrepreneurship and allowed them to expand off and not only create their own coaching program. How this is beneficial is because, again, there's a difficulty in regards to high ticket sales and understanding how to get to the next step and the next steps in the process. Trust me, I know. So yes, you can, there's free education, there's YouTube education and step-by-step following, but why not have a whole team of people that will help elevate your dream for success? So let's step back here. What we talked about here today is what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, what the benefit of high-ticket affiliate marketing is as well, and the process of doing so. And if you're actually considering high-ticket sales, my number one recommendation is to consider coaching first. Now, say for instance, you're already in a high-ticket program. They still welcome any product, any program, because the affiliate marketing concept is the same. It doesn't change. But the beautiful thing about is to be able to provide all of that information to you packaged. How to generate traffic, how to generate content, the best ways and practices to be effective in your product and brand. Say, for instance, any random questions that may come up. If you're in another program, like for example, I represent Freedom Breakthrough with Jonathan Montoya. I'm a part of MCS with Zach Crawford, and I'm also a part of Wealth Warriors with the EIE program. Those are all high ticket affiliate programs that I promote. So when you're talking to people, what you do is find out what the pain is in their process. What are they looking for? And you have different solutions that will help people reach their next step. If you have any questions or anything that I can assist with in your journey, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I do definitely appreciate the opportunity to provide the uncut professional information for you. But this is the program for you. If you have that old high ticket program and gave up on it in the past, this is the time to go dig it out, to be able to understand the glitch or maybe that hump you couldn't get over to get to your next step to reach that why of that passive lifestyle in 2023. Thank you for the opportunity, and we look forward to being the change together.